This is what a lot of big content creators out there in this YouTube street are not telling a lot of small YouTubers, and this is very, very important because I've tried it on my channel and I can see the magic. Like, guys, it works like magic. Should I say is a big secret that no one is actually talking about? Not until I tried it on my channel and I was like, let me even see how this is going to work. Believe me, I saw wonders. This is all about YouTube recommendation. If YouTube recommends your video to you, there is something you need to do, which I'm going to share with you in this video. And please, after watching this video, if you are doubting me, right, just go straight to your YouTube, to your channel, and try this particular secret I'm going to share with you. Because should I say it's a secret? Yes, it's a secret because I just found out of recent. And try this particular secret in your channel and come back and testify. This particular thing I'm going to show you, if YouTube recommends your video to you, there is something you need to do to increase YouTube recommendation. Let's go straight to our YouTube and let me show you how this is done. Once you open your YouTube channel, just go straight to your notification and click on your notification. You can see it boldly written here, recommended. Don't share your YouTube link small channels. Now this is YouTube recommending my own video to me. This is why we are doing this. In case you don't know, we are doing this to increase our views and also our watch hours, because with from views we get watch hours. And once we are able to do this, I'm going to share with you, you see how YouTube will be recommending more of your videos out there to more people, and your views will increase, including your watch hours. Now, and this will also make the algorithm to love you and to also know that you know what you are doing, right? I know a lot of people especially small YouTubers, will say that I've been doing this and I've not gotten up to that 100k views and all that. Yes, I've not gotten there yet, but at least I can see changes. If you know where I'm coming from, this is me that I used to get 3 views. I used to be stuck on 3 views, but ever since I start getting to know about all these little secrets about YouTube strategies, have been able to at least move from somewhere to somewhere as a small YouTuber. And once you try this once you try to implement this that I'm going to share with you, implement it on your channel and you're going to see changes. Believe me, this works like magic. So you click on the recommended video, it will bring you to this place. Already watched this video. I'm just doing this for this tutorial. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Once you watch this video to the end and you like your video and comment, yes, you are not watching this video to the end, or you are liking it, or you are commenting because of the video is bad or nobody is watching. You are actually watching this video to let YouTube know that you actually enjoy watching your own video. Because if you can't watch your video when YouTube recommend it to you, how do you expect people that YouTube is going to recommend your video to, how do you expect them to watch it? So that is why you have to watch your own video and enjoy it. That will make the algorithm know that you actually knows what you are doing in your channel. And immediately you finish watching this video, this is how YouTube recommendation works. And you will see that YouTube will also recommend your own video below. You see it here, it is boldly written. Make sure you click on it after watching that particular video that YouTube recommends to you. Click on the next video if it is your own video. Click on it and also watch it. Okay, you might be thinking that, okay, you don't have enough time to do all of that. You can still do it when you are less busy. And once you do this, you're going to see how YouTube will recommend more of your videos to more people out there, and also you will get the views and you will get watch hours. That is how it works. This video will come to an end. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on our next one, guys. Bye.